Do you want to browse any data in a Google Chrome without saving the browsing history? Alright, so in this video I will show you how to open an incognito window in Google Chrome. So the first thing what you have to do is open the browser, Chrome browser. So go to Chrome browser, and then what you have to do is you have two options. The first option is come here at the top and click on the three dashes, okay, the three down dashes here, and click on that. And once you click on that, and you see new incognito window, so you can click on that and it directly change to this. So what the advantage of browsing any data in incognito mode? The very first advantage is it doesn't save any data, any browsing history. Cookies and site data doesn't also save. Information is entered in forms doesn't save, and the activities might still be visible is the website you visit, the employer or the school or the internet service provider. So you can see this all. This is the first option. The second and the very easiest way is in the keyboard shortcut. What you have to do if you are using a window is you can click Ctrl plus Shift plus N, okay? So you can click on that, then directly takes you to incognito mode. And also you are using a Mac computer, what you have to do is Command plus Shift plus N, and then directly changes into incognito mode. Directly browse what you wanna see, even if in AI mode, okay? So what is like alpha? You can search for alpha, then enter, and the incognito mode directly brings you the data what you need in here. So